And today we will understand how to identify and filter out the companies that gives you dividend regularly through StockEdge app. So here what you need to do is go to the scans, click on fundamental scans, click on dividend scans. You will get three categories here. So click on consistently paying dividends. You can identify the companies that has been generating revenue and has been consistently paying dividend over the years. Next, if you go back and click on positive dividend yield, you will see those companies that has generated revenue and has paid dividends to its shareholders in the current financial year. Go back and click on the consistently high dividend payout ratio. Now, this is very interesting because here you can filter out the stocks that has been paying more than 25% of its earnings as dividends consistently for the last 3 financial years. Interesting, isn't it? So why not go to the Play Store and download the StockEdge app now?